Hello and welcome back to The Compressor Guru. Today, the guru and, of course, his trusty camera wife are going out on a trip. Through the snow, through the woods, off to a new customer to evaluate problems he is having with his compressor. Join the guru as he looks over the situation and is able to reveal things to the customer. And now, here's the Compressor Guru. Beautiful morning, dear.
Yes, it is. So it's a Saturday in February, and we're heading down to look at a compressor. And we had quite a little snowstorm on top of the mountain tonight, but it's better down here this morning than it was up top of the hill. Anyway, we have something that happens from time to time, and we're going to go look at it, and we'll introduce you to the customer. And just, this isn't a service call, this is an evaluation, and to see if my idea might work on what his problem is. What do you think, camera wife?
I think it's a beautiful day in Pennsylvania.
It is.
There was a Dollar General store. They pop up everywhere.
Somebody left a bag along the road and they just grow. Well, we made it through the snowstorm. We're here with Nate, and we're inside his mobile spray foam application trailer. And he's having issues with a generator set that loads down too much. This is a 60 kW generator running a 3-phase 10 horse compressor, and he needs the air to do the spray foam. And the compressor loads up. It's too large of an amperage draw. We've talked about that in the past. The compressor draws too much energy and lugs down real hard on the 60 kW generator. So what we're going to talk about is this run start stop. And instead of running start stop, there's a thing we can put on this called a load jenny. Now a load jenny takes the compressed air before it goes into the tank, and you see the check valve up on top of the tank, the brass valve, and the copper tube runs down to here. We take that out and we put a load jenny in there. When your pressure gets up to 120 pound, that's a single stage machine, I think. Yes, that's a single stage machine. So when your compressor gets up to 120 pound, instead of shutting down, it will go and it will unload, and it will sit there in freewheel. So you only have to start it once a day, and you'll start it with no load. And when you fire it up, it'll pump up to 120, and then it will sit there in freewheel when it hits 120 till you use your air down. And the air that's actually compressing will be discharged to atmosphere, but there's a check valve in the bottom of the load jenny that'll keep the air in the tank. And instead of going, oh, we need to replace this with an upgraded or a smaller unit or whatever, this starts it fine. It's the restart in the middle of the day that causes you a problem.
Yep.
So by installing the load jenny up there on top of the tank and replacing that check valve, for $100 bill, you can fix this.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So, but you were also talking about maybe pulling this out and put it in the shop, or you're talking about others.
Well, I was doing it if we couldn't get the startup to be better. I need one in the shop, but I don't need to take this one out.
Okay.
I'd much rather not.
We've got a solution for you.
Yeah.
This is not a tough solution.
Okay.
Now, are you having a problem with wet air because you said your dryer's not working? You bypassed it?
Yeah, not necessarily, but I would like to address that.
We sell dryers.
Yeah.
I've never even heard of that brand.
Yeah. It's honestly never worked. There's a check valve. I've had to tear that side panel apart since day one, and had to monkey with it, and I just got to the point where we bypassed it.
We've been called before by other guys that have set up much smaller generators and tried to run 5 horsepowers, and it's always the same thing. When it's at 0, it starts up. When we get up to pressure and it has to restart, it lugs everything down, and it's an issue. And you fortunately have this plumbed up just right, so it's an easy solution. I will show a picture of the load jenny right here, and that's what we'll install up on top of the tank. And I'm not even going to install it. It's so simple, you'll do it.
I like it.
So that's it. Nate, what's the name of your company?
Dynamic spray foam and coatings.
And you serve the Altoona, the greater Altoona area?
Yeah, the better part of Pennsylvania.
Better part of Pennsylvania. So if you're in Pennsylvania, look up Dynamic
Spray foam and coatings.
Spray Foam and Coatings. Maybe you'll get some work out of this too.
I appreciate
so,
it. Yeah.
We just started dealing with Nate, but talking to him on the phone, dealing with him, he certainly seems to be the kind of guy we deal with. So, this is the Compressor Guru. Have a warm day. We're going to try to stay warm. God bless. Have a great day.
Thank you for joining us for this episode of The Compressor Guru. Just like with this customer, The Guru sells parts for a variety of brands of compressors. If you need parts as you are doing your own maintenance on your compressors, please contact The Guru at thecompressorguru.com for all of your air compressor needs. God bless.